With this, we will now start with our first speaker, or let's say presenter, Paulo Marques from Allbesmart, and he will present to us the OAI box, a 5G standalone testing solution in a box. And I will start this.
Okay, so thank you. I'm from Allbesmart. I'm here with Luis and George to present you our product, that is the OAI box. So we start here with a question. Imagine that you want to set up an OpenAirInterface 5G network in 5 minutes. So we have developed a product that is called OAI box. I invite you all to go to the web page, and then you can easily understand the potential of our product. If you want, you can choose the right OAI box for your needs. In this case, the customer is selecting the OAI box 40. And then after some interactions, you will receive at your lab the OAI box. So the idea is to facilitate the use of OpenAirInterface with a product that works as a plug-and-play solution. So as I told you, after a few weeks, you get the OAI box, and let's see what is inside. Doing the unboxing. What is the unboxing? So the box comes with the end-to-end solution. So the Quectel modem, the user equipment, with a 5G SIM card, antennas, cables, and of course, the computer platform that was designed and optimized to run the core network of OpenAirInterface plus the G-Node B. In this case is the model 40. It means that the radio goes up to 40 megahertz bandwidth and is a size of configuration. So it's a cloud-based platform. The solution comes with a Quectel, as I told you, as a user equipment. The Quectel includes a 5G SIM card already programmed to facilitate the use of OAI for end-to-end experimentation, for education purposes, research labs, and so on. So after this, the user has to go to our platform, registered as a user, and then we'll have access to the main dashboard. Here, we are starting the core network. As you can see, the different functions of the core network setting up, and wait until all the core network functions are ready, and then you will connect the G-Node B, starting the G-Node B, and we can have several G-Node Bs. In this case, you have just one OAI box that is ready. You can click on the G-Node B information and you can check the G-Node B configuration. So you are reading from the OAI stack of these parameters. You can see the 40 megahertz bandwidth. This is the model OAI box 40. So the next step is to connect the user equipment, the Quectel model, to your PC. You may need to install some drivers on the PC. That also comes with the solution. And let's check the 5G connection. So at that time, you should have a 5G over there, wireless connectivity. You can see OpenAirInterface connected. First thing, do a speed test, measuring the 5G network speed for the OAI box 40. For the download, you are now reaching around 120, 25 megabits per second. In upload, so this is download speed. TDD mode, 40 megahertz bandwidth. Upload, of course, depends on the TDD configuration. In this case, around 9 megabits per second over there. Okay, and then we can see the results of this speed test in the dashboard. Okay, we can see the results in real time in the dashboard. So we collect the metrics, the KPIs. You see the G-Node B, 125 megabits per second. You only have one user equipment. You can have multiple UEs. And you can check the details of each UI. In this case, we will see the key performance indicators, RSSI, RSRP, CQI, and the throughput. So bitrate, you can see the speed test that you just ran, the downlinks and the uplink speed in real time. We have other models, WiBox 200, means bandwidth 100 megahertz, MIMO. So it's a powerful computer platform where we can connect multiple UEs. And you can see here a test that we did in our lab, reaching 800 megabits per second, that we believe that is a world record of. Okay, so this is a more advanced model that we have. We have also automated some run modifications. For instance, it's possible to change the bandwidth. You go to the GNLP settings, and instead of 100 megahertz, you can switch to 60 megahertz. So we can also controlling the GNLP, not just monitoring. And then you see when you restart the GNLP that the parameters change, of course, to 60 megahertz bandwidth. So is there a free version of the dashboard that I can use on top of my STR test bed? Yes. And I'd like to invite you to go to our website, click on the free version of the dashboard, and you can have a free, after registering, we have a tutorial on how to use the dashboard on your STR test bed. And we'll be very happy to get feedback from you to understand what are your needs. So in this tutorial, we have the requirements, the GNOD core network dependencies, and so on. So finally, so again, invite you to install the dashboard, provide your feedback, and I'd like to thank all the support from the OpenAirInterface Software Alliance, in particular from Irfan, Florian, I don't know where he is, and Raymond that is not here for all the support. And also I'd like to invite you to visit on the exhibition area our products and our solutions. Thank you very much.